Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you how to upgrade your Kali Linux installation to the latest version. In my example, I will be upgrading my Kali installation, which is 2021.4 to 2022.1, but these instructions will apply also to other Kali versions. So if you have other Kali versions as the main version, the instructions I'm gonna show you will permit you to go to the latest Kali available version online. Because this is considered as a major upgrade, it's always better to back up your system before doing the upgrade. So please make sure that your system is backed up before carrying out the instructions in my video. Updating Kali is really simple and it can be done with two commands, and you can even combine these two commands into one command. But before upgrading to Kali, you need to choose the source of the Kali that you want to update to. So Kali provides two sources. The first one is called Kali-rolling, and this option will give you the latest updates for Kali. Now, if you want a safer option, and this is not by default in the sources list, and I'm going to show you all this, and it's really simple. So if you want the safest and more stable option, you need to change Kali-rolling to Kali-last-snapshot. And I'm going to show you all this. So let me first switch to screen recording here to my Kali installation. So this here is my Kali installation. First of all, you need to open a terminal window. So let me bring the terminal window a little bit bigger here. So Ctrl++, it will make the terminal window a little bit bigger. So let me first show you what is the release of the Kali that I'm using now. And this is a command to show this. So lsb_release space -r. And you notice that I have here Kali 2021.4. And let me clear the screen now. So here I'm gonna show you how to check the sources list file and how to change it if you wanna change it. So it's really very simple. Key in this command first to open the visual editor. You should launch it in root mode. So sudo mousepad and hit enter and put the password for your user. And this is the mousepad. So this is the visual editor of Kali. And now we need to open the file that is called sources.list. So go to file here and choose open. And then here go to other locations, double click computer, double click etc. And then under etc. here you have apt, double click apt. And you see the file sources list, it is here. So double click on it to open it. And it is open. So you see here you have many commented lines, and the only non-commented lines is this one, and this is the line that is of interest to us. Starting Kali 2020.3, this line is included by default in the installations of Kali. So if you don't have this line, you need to add it as it is here. I'm gonna leave all these commands and lines in the description below. Now, if you wanna change Kali rolling to the latest stable version, which is not the default one here, and in my opinion, it's not recommended. But if you have your reasons to change this to the latest stable version, you can here change rolling to last snapshot. And you can simply save the file. So this way, when you launch the update and upgrade command of Kali, it will go and fetch the last snapshot. But here I'm gonna keep it on rolling. And if the line doesn't exist at all, you need to put it as I said before. Once you put the line, just save the file. So now I'm gonna save the file. I didn't change it here, but nevertheless, I saved it. And now let me clear the screen again. And now this is the commands to upgrade Kali to the latest version. Remember, it is Kali 2021.4 now. We're gonna upgrade it to the latest one, and at the time of this video it was Kali 2022.1. So the first command to do is sudo apt update and press enter. So this is here, it will update the repositories of Kali. Give it a moment to update. And now the command to upgrade Kali to the latest version will be this one, sudo space apt full dash upgrade space -y and hit enter. And the time this command takes depends on your internet connection speed and on your computer speed. So I'm gonna fast forward this video and come back when this command is almost finished. By the way, if you have any comments or questions, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments section below, and I will be glad to answer all your questions and all your comments. And you're gonna notice after the upgrade that the wallpaper and the login screen will change. So let me show you the wallpaper now. So this is a wallpaper. It will change after the upgrade. And also the login screen colors will change. And I'm gonna show you this. Notice the background changed as I told you. So this is a new background. And here when you're prompted to this question, simply on your keyboard, press the left arrow and then press enter. You should select yes to continue. So now the major upgrade is finished as you noticed, and it was successful. So we need to restart the system. I'm gonna restart the system and then I'm gonna show you what is the version of Kali now. And let's check for the release now. So lsb_release space -r. And you notice that the system was upgraded to Kali 2022.1 now. So that was it for this video. If you liked this video and found it interesting, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, and this will help the channel greatly. And this way, you'll not miss any future videos I make. I'm Eloy, and I want to thank you all for watching. See you in the next video.